In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your video project to your computer using Clipchamp. Saving your work is a crucial step in video editing, ensuring that your final product is stored safely and can be easily accessed whenever needed. Let's get started. Once you've put the finishing touches on your video within Clipchamp, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the three-line menu bar, often referred to as the hamburger menu, in the upper left corner of the interface. Clicking on this will reveal additional options that are important for navigating back and forth within your project. Upon clicking the menu, you'll see an option labeled Back to Home. This feature allows you to exit the current video you're working on, bringing you back to the main dashboard where all of your projects are listed. It's important to note that Clipchamp has an auto-save feature, so your progress is saved as you work. This is a convenient way to ensure that your projects are not lost in case of an unexpected interruption. After you've returned to the home screen, you should see your video among your other projects. Now you have two choices. You can leave the video saved in Clipchamp's cloud storage, which is an easy way to manage multiple projects, or you can proceed to download it to your computer. If you want to download the video, look for the export option within your project settings. Clicking export will prompt you to choose the quality of the video you wish to export. Here you can select from several quality levels, typically ranging from lower resolutions suitable for quick sharing to high definition quality that offers the best viewing experience. Be mindful that higher quality settings might result in larger file sizes, so choose according to your needs. Now that you've selected the desired quality, Clipchamp will provide an option to select folder. Clicking this will open a dialog box allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. This step is crucial as it determines where your finished video will be saved. Carefully select a folder that's easy to access, perhaps one dedicated to your video projects. Once you've chosen the target location, click Select to confirm your choice. With that completed, Clipchamp will begin the process of exporting your video file to your selected directory. As the video exports, you can monitor the progress. The time it takes depends on the video's length and chosen quality. Once the process concludes, you'll find your video saved exactly where you specified, ready to share, upload, or further edit as you see fit. Congratulations! You've successfully saved your video from Clipchamp to your computer. This ensures you have a secure copy that you can access anytime.